What's up, guys? I just received the notebook cooler pack. So the first, uh, okay, the worldwide and unique Colax notebook cooler pack. It's really small. As a feature and benefits, slim, smart design, compact system with large, high performance and extra quiet to fans, but which absolute helps dissipate the heat air away from the under the notebook computer for cooling down temperatures of the system, which is special refined constructions. The cooling pad can be any way notebook with blank which without in the least affecting the use of the notebook. So the power source support is by USB. No need any installation. You can use it with any notebook computer. Voltage is the DC5B, of course made in China. So let's do the unboxing. It's a little wet because I actually clean disinfect before we see the notebook, the fans. So I guess you open like that. And we have the USB. So let's see if it's really work. We have the cool pack, and we have my old Sonic Lacto. Oh, what's that? So let's put it like this. It's really old. So on the USB, of course, you see, is in this side. So I'm gonna turn on the computer. Right now I use this computer because I don't have other one, or I don't have money to really use it. So let's see if it's really work. Wait, let me put the mouse right here. Put the mouse in this one, and the cool back in this one. So let's turn around. Let's see if it's really work. Definitely I have to clean this. It's really old computer, but that's the one I use right now. Okay, it's coming, and I had to put the password. Okay, here we go. Give me one moment, guys. Computer. Okay, here we go. I just started using. We see it's working. Yes, it's feel the air, cool it, really cold. It's very nice. You see, it's working. Wow, it's really nice. So let me move the computer so you guys can see how it's working. You can feel the air. You really can feel the air. Also down, it's feel cooler. Oh, but I see it's in the wrong side. Oh no, yeah, it's right. But it's feel. Yes, it's good in the right side. It's working really good. I had to test it like play again. This computer is really heat, so let me put it now down again to see how cooler is the laptop. Oh, you can feel the air. Guys, I guess for only like $4, $4 is good. I just pay $1 shipping, so it's like $5.25 with taxes. It's not really bad. And the computer is not feel like that heat now. It's feel a lot better because this computer is got like crazy heat right here. Because it's really old computer, but it's working fine. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment and let me know what you think about this cooler pack for Lacta. It's work fine. Let me know what you think about this. I think that the cable, it should be a little more, long. It should be a little more long, but some computer have the USB in this side. This computer now, because it's all computer. So also it's not gaming, but it's still working fine. You can feel the air. Even here, it's feel fresh, cold. See you next video.